Okay, so I'm going to relate one of a story about a couple that I'm taking care of that was a really great moment for me today, and in terms of results of their care. Um, Actually, the wife had come in. She brought her husband, who was not there for a visit, but the wife had come in for a consultation and to get involved because she wanted to lose some weight and be evaluated for hormones and nutritional care. And during the initial visit and examination, um, I discussed getting her husband involved too, because she mentioned that he was losing his memory, and they were worried about dementia and that. And so I said, well, maybe he might benefit also by participating in a program, and if I found something that would be interesting for him. And so I did the profiles on both of them, and evaluated them and examined them. And for him, I suggested using an online memory stimulation program, and for her, we would review um, the results of her tests, and I'd make recommendations. At that time, I had no results, and when they came back 2 weeks later, um, I reviewed the results and initiated a hormone replacement. Both of them needed hormone replacement. He needed testosterone. His level was about as low as I've ever seen it in a male, is 86, and her results, she was postmenopausal and was not on hormone replacement. So I started them both on hormone replacements with a number of other supplements to support that effort. And their first follow-up visit was today. He's been online doing luminosity mental exercises, and she has been doing her hormone replacement. He's been coming weekly for his shots, and it was really kind of moving, because he became emotional, because he recognized that with the exercise, the mental exercises, as well as the hormone replacement and the treatments he'd been receiving, his memory was improving and had significantly improved. He's actually doing more mathematical problems and things like that to exercise, and both of their energy levels has been dramatically increased by so much so that they're out doing landscaping, and they have a 5-acre yard. They're re-landscaping it. They've cleaned out apparently cleaned out a garage, and they're working on their house, doing a number of projects around the house. So their energy level has virtually skyrocketed, and this is only within the first month of care. So I'm very optimistic that it's going